Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who is the Field Director of Kaziranga National Park recently honored with the Kenton Miller Award? Sonali Ghosh. The Green Oscar, Whitley Award, in 2024 was given to which Indian conservationist? Purnima Devi Burman. On which date does India experience the shortest day of the year? December 21. With which country does India share the longest international boundary? Bangladesh. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured using which scale instrument? Richter scale. Name one of the 3 ports recently included under the Green Hydrogen Hub mission. Paradeep Port. Under whose initiative was the Green Hydrogen Hub mission launched? Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Which is the natural port in India? Mumbai. How many major ports are there in India? (13). What is the major gas responsible for the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which date marks the longest day in the Northern Hemisphere? June 21. What is the Earth's average orbital velocity? (30 kilometers per second). Taiwan's President Lai Ching-te announced which new air defense system? T-Dome. Which country hosted peace talks for the Israel-Hamas conflict? Egypt. Where was the Nobel Prize announced? Oslo. How much cash prize was awarded to the Nobel winner in Swedish krona? $11 million. Which country did the Nobel winner belong to? Venezuela. After how many years does Prana Pratishtha happen in the Ekambareswar temple this time? 17. To which deity is the Ekambareswar temple dedicated? Shiva. Which element does the Ekambareswar temple represent? Earth. Which government department manages the Ekambareswar temple? Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Dept, Tamil Nadu. Which global firm partnered with Microsoft to launch Pre-AI Skill Passport in India? EY. What is the minimum age to enroll in EY India's Pre-AI Skill Passport program? 16. What is the name of SEBI's AI chatbot? Seva. Which AI tool is associated with Microsoft? Copilot. Which AI tool is associated with OpenAI? ChatGPT. Which AI tool is associated with Apple? Siri. Smriti Mandhana became the fastest batswoman to reach 5,000 ODI runs against which country? Australia. In which city did Smriti Mandhana break the 5,000 run record? Vishakhapatnam. How many balls did Smriti Mandhana take to reach 5,000 ODI runs? 5569. Which previous player held the record for fastest 5,000 ODI runs in women's cricket? Susie. Which country hosts the 2025 Women's ODI World Cup? India. How many marks were allocated for IBPS-PO mains questions mentioned in the session? 50. Name one financial topic covered in IBPS-PO mains as mentioned. PM Swanidhi scheme. How many subsidiaries does NPCI have now? 4. Which NPCI subsidiary works on globalizing UPI? NPCI International Payment Limited. On which date is the International Day of the Girl Child observed? 11th October. What is the theme of International Day of the Girl Child 2025? The girl I am, I led. When is World Migratory Bird Day observed? Second Saturday of May and October. What is the name of Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy's book mentioned? I am a survivor. Which exam batch starts on 15th October? SBI Clerk Mains and IBPS Clerk Mains. What is the theme of World Migratory Bird Day 2025? Shared spaces, creating world-friendly cities and communities. Which NPCI subsidiary focuses on innovation in digital payments? NPCI Tax Solution Limited. Which Indian state revoked the license of a cough syrup manufacturer linked to child deaths? Tamil Nadu. How much is the Google Data Center deal signed with Andhra Pradesh worth? $10 billion. Which festivals caused school holidays in several Indian states on 13th October 2025? Diwali and Chhath Puja. Where was the Gaza Peace Summit held on 13th October 2025? Sharm el-Sheikh. Which US president addressed the Israeli Knesset during the ceasefire talks? Donald Trump. How many people were displaced by the South Sudan conflict in 2025? 3 lakhs. Which city was among the top 10 most polluted cities on 13th October 2025? Shanghai. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.